Hello and welcome back, guys. We are here in this lecture of the modules. As we have learned about the modules, how to use the modules, now I will explain you how we can use the variables in module and access them. We have a module.py. It has the one function, this greeting, name, welcome, this, and this is the dictionary, my person, with the name Steve, age 37, and a country USA. So let's move forward and see how we can access this. This is testing.py. Here we are importing the my module, and here we are creating a variable a or x, which is assigning the value of my module.myperson age, and then printing x or a or x, whatever you can use it. Let's see here. This is the basically case where we are accessing the variable defined into the module. So when we run it, so then it is after running this, it just return the 37. This is the basically the framework which is calling for executing this. So it is the Python 3.8 using. So it is the result 37. Naming a module or renaming a module, how we can do it. So just let's move to the next step. Now here my module, import my module as mx. Now we can use here mx instead of my module inside in it. And this would be the same code executing, and it is generating the 37, the result same. So here we go. So this is basically the naming of module. You can name module file whatever you like, but it must have file extension .py. And rename a module, you can create alias when you import a module by using as keyword. This is the as keyword, and this is the mx. I well given it the new module. So there are the built-in modules, lot of built-in modules available into the Python. Let's create a new file and just my built-in modules.py. So here import platform. This is the built-in. If you see here, we did not define here this anywhere. So this is the built-in platform module, and we can use like x is equal to platform dot system, and let's see what it printing. So here we print the x in it and then see the result. Just I am clearing this pan for you to get the results exclusively. So here it is return the Darwin. So this is the platform Darwin, this used in it. And also there is a directory function. Basically there are the built-in function and list all the functions names are variables in a module, the dir function. So here let me again create x is equal to dir and platform and print. So let me here this is y and print y. So here the system is, and here the platform directory. So here we go. Now just let me clear it and then run this function. So this returns this. If you see here, system is Darwin and platform directory is this. So it returns all the information about this. This is 132 client release, 132 server release, and all these details. So this dir function can be used all modules, also one you can create yourself as well. So it will share with you all the directory details. And import keyword we have already learned. So this is all about the modules and variable modules, and how we can rename the module and use in this code. So thank you. I will be back with next lecture. I hope you guys enjoy it.